There are growing concerns in the Federal Capital Territory over the conduct of operatives from the Abuja Municipal Area Council Revenue Task Force accused of harassing motorists and demanding questionable levies. In this report, Trust TV's Nuel Samson hits the streets of Abuja to observe the alleged harassment firsthand and speaks to both a motorist and a legal expert to understand the legality of AMAC's enforcement actions. The report.
At traffic points across Abuja, AMAC enforcement agents were seen stopping vehicles, many of them private, with demands for documents such as acne permits, which are not required for non-commercial vehicles. While some motorists declined to speak on camera out of fear, one motorist, Abdullah Shehu, shared his troubling experience. We pay 50,000 naira for the documents. One time, I went to Kabusa and got stopped. I had some of the papers displayed on my front windshield, but they asked me to hand them over. I refused. Then one of them pulled out a nail and tried to threaten me by saying he will puncture my tire. I told him that if he did, I would deal with him. I didn't give him the document because once you do, he will hide one and claim you don't have it. That's their tactic. They take one paper out while checking and then accuse you of not having it. After that, they demand payment for the missing one or threaten to damage your car. We usually pay around 10,000 to 15,000 for each paper they claim. There have been allegations of AMAC agents targeting private vehicles, especially those with blue license plates, despite those vehicles not being subjected to commercial regulations. To shed light on the legality of AMAC's action, legal practitioner Ibrahim Usman Wali, who has also encountered similar enforcement tactics, weighed in on the matter.
So, but with regards to private vehicles, AMAC does not have any right whatsoever to stop any private vehicle for any document whatsoever. It's not allowed. It's facts. I am a victim myself, like I told you. It's facts. It's not as if they are not allowed. It is illegal. It is unlawful for them to disturb any private vehicle, and even for commercial vehicles, what they can do is stated in the law.
While emphasized that such enforcement actions may amount to extortion and called for regulatory reforms and greater oversight.
We also need the court to step in. Obviously our court systems are slow to step into outrightly. I'm sure that I know a few processes that are before the court regarding some of the levies of AMAC, but the court system is slow, so we haven't had a definite judgment, a decision on that. But the entire system, frankly, and I think that even the power that's given to the chairman to elect, to appoint officials who are going to help them enforce, I think that it is too arbitrary, it is too wide. I think that there needs to be conditions and qualifications for who should qualify, as an enforcer of all these laws and taxes.
Efforts to get an official response from AMAC were unsuccessful, as staff of the Gariki office confirmed the council is currently on an indefinite strike. Nuel, Samson, Trust TV News, Abuja.